So I shared a picture of this motherboard on a Twitter thread that someone else started, and there were a few requests for some higher resolution photos. I figured it'd probably just be easier for me to make a video of it. I'm doing this in 4K 60, even though my Note 20 supports 8K, just because I figured maybe the higher frame rates would give better results. Don't know how to pronounce the name of this board. I guess it's Zeos International, and it's a modular CPU motherboard. My particular one is equipped with the fast cache card, along with 486 DX. I can't tell through the camera what the speed is, but this cover up that glare. So that's the board, and then I will zoom into it and I guess pan around a little bit. Try to get this into like a logical pattern of some sort. And I'll just leave it there for a few seconds per shot if you want to make like a higher resolution photo of this. Try to not shift it over too far at a time. It's a 480-60X 33 megahertz. It looks like it has a word BIOS on it. There's also a request to dump the BIOS, but I'm going to take some time to learn how to do that if I get to that point. Not sure what these memory modules are. That is out of my wheelhouse. 57 nanosecond sim is what the label says. Also looks like some of these headers are a little bent up. This was pulled out of a computer that I recycled, so it hasn't been treated the best probably, unfortunately. I'm going to flip this over to the bottom. Not too much to see. I'm not sure how many layers there are on this board. I have bright light I'll shine through the bottom of it once I get the various pictures, I guess. This side might be a little bit harder to, there we go. Might be a little bit harder to divide up into quadrants. We'll see if I can pull this off. I'm going to use my finger as an indicator where to stop. Alright, now to shine a light through the board. See if we see anything interesting. I think the board's actually thicker than I gave it credit for. Yeah, it's too thick to shine a light through, I guess. It seemed like I was seeing traces through the board, but I was clearly mistaken on that. It is, oops. Decently thick PCB. I would take this cache card off, but I'm not confident I can do it without damaging pins. So it's something where I'm just going to leave it alone, I think. Maybe that'll show a little bit better what's under it though. Get some more light. And then if I have enough room under the camera, I might not. Yeah, I'll show the side. Again, I guess these are the little connectors that the riser connects to the motherboard with. See the other one deep down in there. So yeah, hopefully that's of use to somebody. Feel free to take screen grabs if you want to credit the video. That'd be great. If not, I don't really care either way on this particular item. So yeah. Also, eventually, this won't be for sale. It's one of those things where time. A lot of this vintage stuff is above my skill set, so it takes me a lot longer to go through than other stuff I sell. I'll try to remember to put a comment in the video if I sell it, but I can't guarantee anything. But yeah, thanks for watching.